Hello there, Sev here from Motorhome Dealer Group, and welcome to this video guide on the Schaudt LT 311 control panel like you see here in front of me. This particular unit is Andrea branded, but of course it can come in other flavors as well. Now this video guide is going to basically show you what the buttons do, how to interpret the information it presents, so that you feel comfortable using this panel to control your leisure vehicle. This will not cover any in-depth troubleshooting or anything like that. For those kind of things, I do recommend you read your instruction manuals or speak to a technical professional. So let's get started. Thankfully, this panel is very simple and easy to use. First of all, we have a switch here on the far right, which is going to either connect or disconnect the 12-volt system, so your leisure battery. So if I press the switch up, it's sprung loaded, but it just turns on the 12-volt system there, and as you can see, the LED is going to illuminate green when that is on, and I rock it to the down position in order to disconnect and turn off the motorhome. So very simple and easy there. This light here is going to illuminate when we are plugged into a working mains electric supply. We then have another sprung loaded rocker switch here. This is going to check battery voltages that we're going to cross check against this LED segmented display here. We have the vehicle battery here at the bottom and the leisure battery here at the top. So if I hold this to the top position, we're now looking at the leisure battery voltage, and if I press down, I'm looking at the vehicle battery voltage. And there we go. Next up, we have the water pump master switch. This is a 2-position switch, either off or on. Off is going to be up so that the pump switch is illuminated and the water pump turns on. I'm going to turn it off because this particular vehicle is low on water. We have the water tank levels here though. Again, another sprung loaded 3-position switch. We're going to hold to the up position to check our fresh tank and the down position to check our waste tank. So there's the fresh tank capacity, and there is the waste tank, which is nearly empty. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And when you're done, you simply hit the rocker switch and the panel is powered down. And that's how to use the Schaudt LT 311 control panel. I'm Sev. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much for watching.